Morning, ladies and gentlemen. Chris again, Oz Canopies and 4x4. Do we have a treat for you today? We've got another Kia Tasman in. We are becoming quite the Kia Tasman experts, aren't we? Getting in here, brand spanking new, bad boy. It's got the OEM sports bar fitted on it as well. We're going to get a roller shutter fitted on this one today, right? We've got our ops manager here, Matt. Look at him, he's excited, right? 8 a.m. in the morning, there's nowhere else he would rather be in the entirety of the world than with us. Isn't that right, Matty?
100% true.
He said 100% true off camera right there. All right, anyway, so we're gonna go through the assembly and fit of the roller shutter. And yeah, we're gonna get right into it.
You're just a target in a room full of people trying to sell a dream. You got what you wanted, but money fade fast like a summer fling. Was it worth it? The petty fees flew overseas. They made you believe in the stolen dreams, someone else's fears. If you think about it, forgot how to breathe. Now the weather's clear. My dear, standing face to face with the mirror, like it's zero, no one's got it picking it. Don't need a mask or a hero, like it's zero, but this ain't where it's like an empire, building towers and breaking heights. You wanted to be her, well, guess what? You're what you never had. They made you believe in stolen dreams, someone else's fears. If you think about it, you learn how to breathe, and now the weather's clear, my dear. Standing face to face with the mirror, like it's zero, no one's gonna pick it up. Don't need a mask or a hero, like it's zero.
Chris back again, the gentleman from the start of the video, here to show you the roller shutter. So hopefully you guys enjoy the assembly and fit process. Very, very straightforward. We'll go through the operation of it while we have it as well. The key, you get a pair of keys with the roller shutter. This is the manual option, of course. The electric option, which we also have available, doesn't come with a key, and it comes with a remote. So horizontal position is the key, the roller is unlocked. If I put the key in, I put it in the vertical position. That's how you end up locking the roller. I'll go ahead and unlock it to demonstrate. So how to operate: pull first, press the button. Once you press the unlock button, it's going to roll all the way forwards. Right. You can also twist this knob here to engage the catching mechanism, I like to say, to stop the roller halfway. You can see how the fit and finish is done right off the OEM fitting points to give you as much space in the tub as possible, and also the additional benefit of not having to drill too many holes by evacuating the water from those two grommets at the front there. You can see over there, very, very straightforward. So if you want to grab one for yourself, ozcanopies.com.au is the place to go. These ones are currently priced at $1,400 supplied. We can refit the OEM sports bar as well. You can see with these brackets over here to give it that OEM fit and finish. Other than that, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. We've got a lot more of these fitting videos in the pipeline, and we will see you next time.